Today, we have simultaneous workshop here at Davao City. So we have mental wellness, basic life support, youth, and also the kids. So bakit ba natin ito ginagawa? No? So one of the mission ni WayJ Foundation is to empower yung people natin here at Mindanao, and also ang gusto natin, no, is to uplift din, di ba? And matulungan natin yung next generation.
At doon po, as district overseer din po, siguro isa rin po na maipasa ko rin sa district namin na dapat din po pala as pastor, hindi lang sa church lahat ng problema titingnan namin, maging sa members na kailangan din po namin silang i-address in their emotions or even sa mga problema personal dun po. At salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa WayJ Foundation ulit.
Natuto talaga ako. At saka yan ang gusto ko tayo i-apply. Di ba, we are praying na ang family natin nasa safe always. No? Pero just in case lang naman, lalo na ako may apo ako, I thank God na binigyan rin niya ako ng knowledge or wisdom na sumali sa ganito na program. God willing, kung may time kami, hope if may time, i-re-echo namin kung ano yung natutunan ko rin dito.
So, it's really a great opportunity, a blessed day for me because I have learned a lot of things. Way back, I thought na ako lang po nakakaranas ng ganito, but when our mentor, our instructor shared some insights, I was struck by the learnings na on this time and season, God will give us people that will lead us to have wisdom. And also to WayJ Foundation, thank you for this workshop because it is a great opportunity, especially for me as a leader to grow and for me also to apply what I have learned to my mentees, to my co-mentors, and even to our congregation.
Nag-share po ang bawat isa sa mga karanasan, how to handle children. Nagpapasalamat ako sa knowledge and wisdom, and alam ko na sa dinami-dami ng sharing namin kanina, may mga natutunan ako.
Kailangan tuunan, mapansin ng mga member, kailangan din mapansin ng mga parents na hindi lang teachers ang magkaroon ng burden sa the whole needs ng Sunday school or sa children's ministry.
Thank you sa grupo nito, sa WayJ. Blessing po kayo sa amin.
Malipayang gabi sa inyong tanan! We have finished the workshop of 65 pastors and leaders
in basic life support training
and mental wellness, youth and children workshop. And now, see you, Bukidnon!